You caught me smelling my sponge. You know, by the time it smells like mold and mildew, you're already infecting your family with bacteria. We need to keep our sponges clean, and most people keep the same sponge for months. So first, a quick tip that the Queen always does at the palace. I put it in the top rack of the dishwasher every single time I wash the dishes. You should do that too. When you take it out, squeeze the water out and let it dry. Another way to clean it, put about a cup or so of warm water into a container, add a good squirt of liquid dish soap, and then add 10 drops of tea tree oil because it's an antimicrobial, antibacterial. Let it soak for 30 minutes, overnight, whatever's a good time for you. When you come back, rinse it out and use it. That will keep it clean. And now my secret to never keeping a sponge too long is 12 sponges and a magic marker. At the first of every year, you're going to take 12 sponges. You're going to take a magic marker and put the first letter of every month on it, like I have here. Every time a new month starts, throw out the old sponge, bring out the new. That way you never leave a sponge too long. So this is all you need to know about keeping that sponge fresh, clean, safe, and clean smelling too. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.